Can you find out which one among these videos is AI generated? I've tried more than 10 motion control AI tools, and now I'm going to show a full in-depth tutorial on how to make an AI influencer for free. I will also share some unique tools that I'm sure you have not used before. First, we need a unique face for the influencer. For that, search for Beautiful Girls Pinterest on Google. Then open a link. Scroll down and choose an image of any girl you like, and make sure the face is clearly visible. Then right-click on the image you like and download it. I'll share some image links below in the description box. I've downloaded this one. Since this photo's resolution is not very high and it is already available on Pinterest, it is better to slightly change this character's face and upscale this image at the same time. To do this, go to Leonardo AI. From the left sidebar, select the Upscaler option. Now upload the influencer image here and set the creativity strength to 2 and the upscale multiplier to 2 times. Then click the Upscale option. After processing, simply click this option and download it. Make sure to save this image as Image 2. Our influencer's HD image is ready. Now we have to find a real video, and our influencer will mimic that reel. For that, go to Google and search for Instagram Reels Video Pinterest. Now open a link. Then select a Reels video you like. Now we have to download this video. Click the Share option and copy the link from this button. Now go to clickpin.com and paste the video link, then hit download. Then click this button to start downloading. Our influencer and Reels video are ready. Now we have to dress up our influencer the same as the Reels girl, so our motion capture will be smoother in future steps. For that, we have to take the influencer photo and the Reels girl's photo and tell AI what we want. So now we have to take a frame of the Reels girl. To do that, go to Mixalab Frame Extractor and upload the Reels video. Move this circle clockwise to find the perfect frame and click the Capture button. Once the photo shows here, click this button and download the image. Make sure to save this image as Image 1. Now we have 2 images, where Image 1 is the Reels girl and Image 2 is the influencer. Now go to Arena AI and log in with your Google account. Change the mode to Direct, then click the Generate Images option. Here you can see all the models. GPT Image 1.5 High Fidelity is selected by default. Keep it as it is. Click the plus icon and upload Image 1, the Reels girl. Repeat the same process and upload Image 2, the influencer. Now, copy this prompt and paste it here. Then simply click the Generate button. Make sure you don't use any seductive images or it will not process. You can do the same thing in Gemini, but Gemini often does not follow commands properly due to its guidelines. That is why we are using Arena AI. If you like this image, simply download it, or you can retry the generation again. Now it's time for the final part, motion capture. I've researched for more than 20 hours to find the best free motion capture AI tools. All the top platforms give free credits, but you can't even generate a 3-second video with those credits. It's a total scam. Some have disabled free trials. Even top tools like Higgsfield show a free plan, but in reality, you get 0 free credits on sign-up. You can't generate even 1 video or image unless you pay. So don't waste time exploring those tools. I've found 4 free AI motion capture tools, and let's see all of them so you can use them according to your needs. The first one is Clipfly AI. You'll get a one-time 15 credits for free. You can use that to make a 15-second video, and you can also sign in using a temporary email. The second tool is VidPix AI. This AI gives 60 credits as a sign-up bonus and 10 credits daily. So on the first day, you'll get 70 credits. A 15-second video generation takes 15 credits. So you can generate 4 videos on the first day, and the daily 10 credits make this tool the most valuable free option. On top of that, you can also use temporary email here. But the only drawback is its quality is not as high as the other free tools I'm going to talk about now. All the AI tools have the same simple process to generate videos, so I'll show that later after explaining all the tool's features. The third tool is Key AI. Its quality is better than the previous tools, but this tool only provides a one-time 80 credits. You can only create one 13-second video at 720p because it costs 6 credits per second. Since this tool gives good results, let's see how to use it. You can see that demo prompts, photos, and videos are already uploaded by default. First, remove the prompt. In the image section, click remove all to remove the uploaded image. In the video section, do the same and remove the video. In the image section, upload the image we made using Arena AI, where the influencer is dressed like the Reels girl. Then upload the Reels video in the video section. Keep these two settings as they are and click Run. Here you can see the result. Key AI's result is good, but you can't sign in with multiple Google accounts within 24 hours, and one Google account can create only one video, but the next tool provides the same quality with unlimited generation. This fourth tool is called Wan Video. Hover over the avatar option and click Try Now. Change this option to Character Swap. Upload the Reels video here and select a 15-second part of it, as it supports up to 15 seconds. Click Confirm, and from the character option, upload the influencer's Arena image. Then simply click the Generate button, which costs 0 credits. The only drawback is that this AI takes a couple of hours to generate. If you are serious about this niche and want the best results with unlimited generation, you should choose Top Media AI. It is the cheapest option, and when you go to the AI Tools section of this website, you can see dedicated character swap, AI dance, and mimic features that none of the other AI tools have. Select the AI dance option. Upload the influencer's Arena image here, and then upload the Reels video here. Choose the quality and hit Generate to start the process. Before watching the result, make sure to subscribe if you learned something new, and you'll get all the links in the description box below. Now enjoy the result.